Mixology Monday. We got Jordan, I'm Robbie. Today we got a super easy, awesome cocktail for you. What are we making today, Jordan?
Making the coffee cola.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Pretty excited about this one. I see you got a little fancy with it, even though it's a relatively simple drink.
Yeah, simple drink for sure. So it does take a little bit of prep time ahead of time. So last night I took some of our Javeska's Carolina rum coffee beans and I ground these up. These are the beans we use for our Muddy River coffee rum. So I ground these up last night, put them in a coffee pot, made a pot of coffee, and then poured that pot of coffee into an ice tray to make these ice cubes, which is where we're going to start.
Fancy ice cubes.
Yeah. So I'm just going to grab these, pop those in.
All right, what's next, bud?
So next thing, you want an ounce of Muddy River Silver rum.
Tom Cruise. All right.
And
I can already smell the coffee.
Oh yeah, it's bringing it out for sure. And then after that, you'll take an ounce of our coffee rum.
Nice, nice.
And you're just gonna finish it off with some Coke.
All right.
You wanna do the honors?
I got you, bud. Putting cola in here, top this glass off. I wouldn't recommend drinking this drink before bed. This is one of those things
can keep you up.
Like, for us, we work all day, been hustling and doing whatever, and we need something to chill us out. And
fancy.
Stir that around a little bit.
There you go.
Just happen to have a cinnamon stick. Totally normal.
On us at all times.
Not necessary for this drink.
No.
All right, folks, hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website and other cool, fun stuff like that. Subscribe and like this stuff. It's a really good tool to use when you're using all of our rums. You can find us in your local liquor store, and cheers.
Cheers.
Nice drink, brother.